What's up, my 4C Naturals? You know what time it is. It's protective style season, especially here in the hot Atlanta. I found this beautiful Annisoul curly wig on Amazon for $30. You know we're trying to look good and save those coins too. Well, it came with a bunch of stickers for your children, a couple of wig caps, even some golden hoop earrings. Who don't love that? What I love about this wig, the install is very easy. There's no lace front, no glue, and no need to do your edges because it comes with a lot of hair that you can tailor it, you can cut it, you can trim it, shape it to your liking. And the kicker is it comes with a bunch of beautiful colors. No need for you to risk experimenting dyeing your natural hair with unwanted chemicals. Look at that. It's beautiful. Perfect.